Now, a couple of things to pay attention to include down here near the status bar is your sheet layouts. Okay, you can see here's your A and so forth. Now, you'll want to get rid of some extra information that might have been imported, which includes things like this dashed rectangle, which is a empty drawing view. Just go ahead and select it and delete it. Okay, go through each layout there, and if you don't see it, what you could do is just go to F, just type F, that's zoom to fit, right? F, zoom to fit, and go to each layout and delete that empty drawing view. Now, the other thing that you'll notice too is that we have our title block information here. We'll want to make sure that the title block information is in the sheet format. Now, what you'll notice is when you first come to the drawing right now, you should be just in the regular drawing space. If I right click anywhere in the drawing, you should see the option to edit sheet format. When you do that, you can see this button up here that tells you you're in sheet format, and it's in this space where you can double check to make sure that that title block information is within the sheet format. You can see it's now selectable. If I select any part of it, it's actually a block with attributes. This is how it was made in AutoCAD. Okay. Now, what you'll want to do is make sure you select all of that information and that it's on the none layer setting right here. If you don't have your layers toolbar, you can just right click in an empty area and make sure you select your layers toolbar so you can see that. The other thing you want to make sure is make sure that no other layer is made current. So you'll want to make sure that this is set to none as well. So the title block information is in none layer and it's in the sheet format space, right? Type F to zoom extents and then close the sheet format. You'll want to check that for each one. Okay, you'll notice here it didn't get sent to the sheet format. So all I'm going to do here is select it, cut it, right click over the empty area of the sheet, edit sheet format. Now you can see I'm in the sheet format, right click and paste it and position it in the correct spot. Close that sheet format and zoom extents and repeat for each layout. Make sure that that also is not in the sheet format. We can Control X to cut, right click to sheet format, right click to paste and position. And let's check out A here. None of these got sent to the sheet format. Let's cut, right click, edit sheet format and paste it, and then move it into position. Oh, that one is. Okay, now the other thing that you'll notice is that some of this title block information is in colors. What we could do here is again use your layer manager, and what you'll want to do is just simply take all of those TB layers and change the colors to black. Alright, take one by one and change it to black. And this will update in all of your sheets. That way when we output, everything's going to be in black. Okay, so none is the selection for layers. All my title block information is in sheet format, and I double check that for all of these layouts. You'll notice here in the Feature Manager design tree that we have the rebuild signal, so we can use our rebuild button, make sure everything is redrawn and done correctly.